is up? I'm Exotic, back with another video, and today we are playing Masked Shooters. It doesn't say mash. It doesn't say phased or whatever shooters for me. Okay. Go ahead, phase me. So today I'm collabing with the Squid Man again, and okay, he's already firing shots. Okay. Oh, I see who you are. No, duh, you can't quick scope. Oh my god, it is so hard. The crosshair is so messed up, I don't like this. Let's go! I got a freaking hit marker. That's the dumbest thing ever. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, we're phasing. Okay, I'm moving. I'm just moving. What? Oh! No, what the? Oh! I dodged it. You know why? Oh my. No. No, don't, please, no, sir, no. I can't even get a freaking hit marker. Nah, you're a freaking cheat, bro. And you killed me? You are actually never getting into phase. What are you talking about, phase, boy? You didn't even, like, freaking quickscope me or anything. You're trash. Oh, stop. Sure you did, buddy. By the way, Sam, if you guys do not know, I don't know if you guys can hear Sam, but I'm talking to him on the phone because for some reason Google Hangouts and Discord is not working. I don't know why, so yeah, we're just gonna... Ooh, let's see if we can get up to this. For some reason, this mic... Ah! No, you suck. You actually suck. The fact that you haven't killed me. Oh god. You are so bad at this. You are... Sam, you are actually so bad. I never wanted to kick him. Oh my gosh. I know it does that sometimes. But I'm about to do the most MLG thing. Okay, screw you. You know what? So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I'm not playing this game because this boy does not know how to quick scope, and so yeah, he is just trash at everything he does. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like. And yeah, peace out, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.